Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you own and can unlock the device. That matters for permissions and audit trails. Once done, open the Google Play Store, then tap your profile and Play Protect to view current protections. This shows why Play Protect flagged anything. Make sure to back up photos and app data now. Changes to protection settings can affect app behavior. I'm guiding you to manage settings responsibly rather than removing core protections. Next, review the specific app or alert Play Protect reported. Check developer name, install count, and recent reviews to judge trustworthiness. If an app is from a verified developer, you can follow on-screen options to mark it safe inside Play Protect rather than turning security off. Make sure Google Play services and Android are up to date. Many false positives resolve after updates. Where possible, install from the Play Store to maintain protection while getting the app you need. Finally, if you've validated an app's origin, use Play Protect's built-in allow or ignore option for that app so you keep broader protections intact. If uncertainty remains, contact the app developer or Google support to confirm legitimacy rather than disabling protections. And if the device behaves unpredictably after changes, restore your backup or perform a factory reset as a last resort to return to a known good state. One troubleshooting tip: reboot into safe mode to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.